In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove decimals in Looker Studio. If you're working with data visualization and you want your numbers to be precise or simply cleaner, adjusting the decimal places can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the link to navigate to the Looker Studio website. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. However, if you're already a user, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where you can access your projects and reports. Next, you're going to select the scorecard that you wish to modify. Scorecards are a great way to display key metrics at a glance, but sometimes the default decimal settings don't quite match your needs, which is why we're here. So, identify the scorecard you want to adjust. You'll want to click on it to make it active or focused within the report you're working on. With your scorecard selected, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You should see various tabs and options for customizing your report. Here, you want to click on the Style tab. This panel allows you to tweak the visual presentation of your scorecard, including the decimal settings. Once you've opened the Style tab, the next area to focus on is labeled Primary Metric. This is where you'll find all the options related to the main number displayed in your scorecard. Under this section, you'll locate a drop-down menu labeled Decimal Precision. This menu controls how many decimal places are shown for your data. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu. You'll see a range of options, typically starting from 0, which means no decimals, up to whatever is the maximum desired decimal precision Looker Studio supports. If you want your numbers to be whole numbers without any decimal places, you would choose 0. If you need one or more decimal places to add precision to your data, select the corresponding number. For instance, choosing 1 will give you a single decimal place, 2 for 2 decimal places, and so on. And there you have it. Once you've made your selection, your scorecard will automatically update to reflect these changes. You'll notice the numbers looking either more concise or detailed, depending on the setting you chose. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how your data is perceived at a glance. So, that's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. By mastering your decimal precision settings, you can enhance the readability and professionalism of your reports. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Looker Studio.